Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive into the world of 3D printing and learn about the best 3D printer for mechanical engineering. The output is very realistic and highly accurate, which makes it perfect for prototyping mechanical parts. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today we'll review some of the best 3D printers for mechanical engineering. To help you out, we have put together a list of the best 3D printers for mechanical engineering. This 3D printer is for users who want a reliable, efficient, and cost-effective 3D printer, and these printers can use in any condition for any task related to mechanical engineering. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is the original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D printer. The original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D printer is an optimistic 3D printer for mechanical engineering enthusiasts who want to bring their ideas to life in a vibrant and hassle-free manner. With its cutting-edge features and top-notch performance, this printer is a game-changer. Prepare to embark on a thrilling journey of creativity as you unwrap the MK3S Plus. This pre-assembled marvel is a plug-and-play wonder, sparing you the headache of tedious setup. Power it up, perform a quick calibration dance, and you're all set to unleash your engineering genius. One of its standout features is the fully automatic mesh bed leveling process, which ensures impeccable precision and saves precious time. The built-in IR filament sensor and auto-loading capability add extra convenience, ensuring uninterrupted printing as it gracefully pauses when your filament supply runs low. With its robust components like the legendary Gates belts, reliable Bondtech drive gears, and the mighty EINSY Rambo motherboard, this 3D printing workhorse is built to withstand the toughest mechanical challenges. It's a true powerhouse that won't back down. Prusa Research's dedication to customer satisfaction shines through with its lifetime technical assistance and round-the-clock professional customer service. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description.